Do you want to maintain privacy and hide the content of your Gmail messages on your iPhone lock screen? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to easily disable email previews on the lock screen so you can be sure that no sensitive information is visible while your phone is locked. All you need to do is follow a few simple steps and I'll guide you through the whole process. So first, open the settings on your device. Once you're in settings, the next step is to scroll down and find the notification section. When you find it, tap on it. Once you're in the notification section, scroll down until you find the Gmail app. When you find it, tap on it. On the Gmail notification settings page, you'll see a lot of options. Now, simply scroll down and in the lock screen appearance section, you'll see two options: Show Previews and Notification Grouping. Tap on Show Previews. Once you've done that, you'll see three options: Always, When Unlocked, and Never. Select the Never option to completely disable the preview of your Gmail content on the lock screen. This way, you'll only see a notification that you have a new message, but not its content, just like it's shown on my screen. And that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.